Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Sport Package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.